Hello everyone, welcome back. I have some more presets to give away, 4 in all. They will be in the description below. After you download them, go to generators. Go to SDS, rectangle, and ellipse, and you'll find them. What these are is something you don't need very often. Normally the border is, the mask I should say, is right in the middle, the center of the border. I made some so they'll either go in or out only. And you have soft edge, or right to nothing. You also have a pivot on the out, I should say on the in. You always want to put it where it's going to be on the part that doesn't move. If you want to animate this to rotate or whatever, I just want to point out that I did put it in there. But to see it, click this and Fusion Overlay, turn that on. Now you can see the pivot point. If you take that right to the edge of the mask, you can animate it, you can rotate it or whatever you want to do. On the ellipse, if you uncheck this, use size and aspect, you can make them oval. And we'll go on to the next one. All the controls are the same, except this one extends out. Doesn't affect the inside. You can also use these in Fusion as well, and I'll show you how to find them in a moment. And here's a rectangle, corner radius, inside only. And same thing, you have the pivot, like in the first one, right here. And because this one goes in, we want to put the pivot on the very outside edge. Or if you move to the bottom and check the use size and aspect again, it'll go right to that corner. So there's a lot of things you can do with these. And this one goes out on the outer perimeter. Now we'll go to Fusion, go up here to Templates, Edit, Generators. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up there. I just type in SDS rectangle. And there they are. You can add these in any 2D comp that you want. And you can add all the controls in your macro and everything as usual. Everything's right here. And you can also change the colors. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.